Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Finally, got new music. Did that this morning. You're welcome. I'm sorry. So, what do we have on the menu today? We have Acecook with their Kimchi pork shoyu. It's a super cup. See right there? 1.5 times more junk than normal. So, yeah. And this is one that steeps. So we're going to use the measuring cup method because it's about the exact same shape as a bowl that it comes in. So here's the noodle block. Okay, fits in there almost flush. And then here's the powder base. The vegetables and other bits. And now we just need 500 mils of water, and here it comes. And just like last time, I'm going to set it off to the side. Slap a something to cover it up. And give it, there we go, 3 minutes. So, there we go. So in 3 minutes, we'll be enjoying pork kimchi noodles. So this is a Japanese product. It came in a Zenpop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use coupon code RamenRaider to get a discount. And what's going on today? It's Friday for me. I don't know what day it is for you, but it's Friday. And I've got this one, and I've got 2 other ones that I'm doing today, and that will make for 13 reviews this week. So I'm pretty jazzed about that. So I got a YouTube comment. I know these a lot of them don't really bother me all that much at all, but it's just like, it's not like I'm offended, like personally, like all boo-hooing, but it's funny because it's like, what annoys me is just like the ineptitude with logic some people have. All caps. Somebody's saying the worst thing you can possibly do is eat instant noodles and they're going to kill you, and I can just see by looking at you that you're gonna die, and blah 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 blah. All caps, freaking out. Like, I tried to come up with some kind of clever reply, like, oh, well, the difference between you and me is you're already dead to me. And I don't know, just people get really bent out of shape about fried wheat noodles. You got me. They don't get so weirded out about pizza. Had another one recently, and the person tried to walk it back. They made another thing between my appearance and eating instant noodles, and they tried to walk it back, and it was like, whatever, you know? I honestly don't care, but it's like, I like the fact that there's a community of people that are interested in instant noodles, and that they'll oftentimes chat about it on posts that I do. And then you get somebody in there like that, it kind of disrupts it, and it's like, nah, that's my main problem with it. It's just like, don't put, you know, we don't need a Debbie Downer, we don't need Dickhead in there being just a frickin' bunch of jakes. But there we go. I did get one the other day that was really funny. somebody said, Trump is a great leader. And I was like, okay, can you cite some reasons that you believe this? No reply. Like, if you're that exuberant, you would think, but maybe it was just one of those little bot things. I don't know. Alright, this looks pretty schmancy actually. And quite recently I did another one of these super cups and I didn't like this part of it, the noodles, so hopefully I do with these. And then we've got this special oil, kimchi oil stuff. We'll see what it does. A lot of times these oils are very, very light. They offer some effervescence, but that's about it. There we go. Alright. Look at that. That kimchi? I don't know. Yep. That was interesting. It almost was gooey on the outside. It's probably a tough one to dehydrate. Freeze-dried, it might work a little better. I don't know if that was freeze-dried or dehydrated. I'm guessing dehydrated. Freeze-drying is expensive. Noodles in this one are a little bit better, although I'm not ultra thrilled with them. Here's some of the garnish. Some peppery stuff, I don't know. Yeah, a little ring of pepper. Some broth. Give those noodles one more try, and then we'll get to garnishing. It's not. There's like times when I can go, it's not bad, and then there's times when I can say, well, I've had worse, and I think this is an I've had worse time, unfortunately. Honestly, I will say that they should advertise these as best in 4 minutes, but in 3 minutes they're just not in the mood for me. I'll go with this bowl. I was kind of tossing up between the two for two different ones I'm doing today, and I will use this one. Yeah, let's. You see there, it's quite a lot of food. And it's a tonkotsu, like a shoyu tonkotsu with kimchi, spicy seasoning stuffs. Since it's like a pork based, I'm gonna do some pork adoration. I'm gonna use this egg. Because I like egg. Not that I eat it or nothing. One thing that I still keep getting, I guess the bulk of my content doesn't have me saying, I don't eat all this food. But a lot of it does. I don't know. Where to put the scissors? I don't know, I put them away? No. Scissors. It's funny too, out in public, people keep saying like, dude, I've totally been to your website and stuff and blah blah blah. Where's a good place to have what's a good restaurant around here? What's your favorite? It's like, if you've been to my website rather, and it's like, why are you asking me about a restaurant? I'm like, but I do have a favorite around here for Japanese, and that's Jinya. They're quite good. I've only tried one thing. I've only been there once. The other places really didn't warrant a return visit. Was not enthused. Oh, where'd that go? Here we are. We're gonna do a little bit of, been doing this the last few days, and I think this one, it works well. A little bit of pepper flake. And why not sesame seeds? Why not sesame seeds in your next ramen making thing? All right. See if you can see that. Yeah, you can see it just fine. So there you go. That's something you could do with your instant noodles. For me, a big part of it is making it look pretty. And hopefully to you, this looks like something you'd enjoy. If not, and especially if you are a maker or cooker or like professional ramen dude or dudette, please give me some pointers. I'll take them. I'll take advice. Sure. Absolutely. My pleasure. And thank you. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day, and I'll catch you later. Bye.